When a newborn calf takes its first breath, it enters the world with little to no immunity. That's where colostrum, often referred to as liquid gold, becomes a life-saving first meal. This rich, yellowish fluid is not just the calf's first nutrition source. It's the key to developing immunity, strength, and survival. However, not all colostrum is created equal, and even the best colostrum can fail to do its job if not managed properly. Understanding what affects colostrum quality and how calves utilize it can mean the difference between a thriving herd and costly setbacks. Let's dive into the factors that influence both quality and effective use of colostrum, and how dairy farmers can maximize its life-giving potential. Older cows, second calving and above, typically produce higher quality colostrum than first-time heifers. This is because they've had more exposure to pathogens and developed stronger immunity, passing those antibodies into their colostrum. Colostrum should be harvested within 1 to 2 hours after calving. Delay reduces immunoglobulin, IgG levels, and allows bacteria to grow. The longer the wait, the lower the fat, protein, and total solids, impacting its protective power. Heat-stressed cows, e.g., during tropical summers, produce colostrum with less fat, protein, and immunoglobulins. On the other hand, cold-stressed calves struggle to absorb antibodies, weakening passive immunity transfer. Colostrum from cows calving in cooler seasons, autumn and winter, tends to be richer in protein and immunoglobulins compared to summer calving cows. A dry period of 45 to 65 days is optimal. Too short a dry period doesn't allow the udder to rest and build up high-quality colostrum. Too long may lead to reduced milk production post-calving. Calves should receive colostrum within the first 2 hours of birth. This is the window of highest absorption efficiency for immunoglobulins. After 6 to 8 hours, the calf's gut begins to close, and after 24 hours, immunoglobulin absorption is nearly zero. A general rule is to feed at least 4 liters of colostrum, or 10% of body weight. Aim for colostrum with IgG greater than 50 grams per liter to ensure adequate passive transfer of immunity. Sick, cold, or weak calves have impaired ability to absorb immunoglobulins. Cleanliness during feeding is vital. Dirty teats or contaminated colostrum introduces bacteria that can block absorption or cause illness. Bottle feeding is preferred for strong calves, while weak or reluctant calves may require esophageal tube feeding to ensure intake. Colostrum isn't just a routine feeding. It's the calf's first line of defense, building blocks of immunity, and a predictor of future health and productivity. By prioritizing colostrum quality and ensuring calves receive it quickly, cleanly, and in sufficient quantity, farmers give their calves the best possible start. Whether you're a dairy farmer or livestock extension officer, remember, what happens in the first few hours of a calf's life can echo throughout its lifetime. So let's treat colostrum with the value it truly deserves, like gold in a bottle.